Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. So I think I just found the most pigmented and gorgeous eyeshadow, blush, and bronzer. And these are all from Juvia's Place. So I used the blushed rose eyeshadow palette, the volume 2 blushed palette, and the medium bronzed palette. So if you think that this look is as gorgeous as I do, and you want to find out all about these palettes, then first make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell, and then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. So before I get into talking about these products, let's take a look at this gorgeous look again. Also, let's look at this thing. Now, my last video I did was a tutorial on the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. So if you didn't see that, go check it out. But in that video, I sat against a tree for the whole video. And you will be, spider. And now I think I got bit by a spider. And I've got this nice red streaking going on. So, never again am I going to be sitting against a tree. All right, now that I got that out of the way, I got all these palettes at Ulta. So first, let's look at the eyeshadow palette. And the eyeshadow palette costs $14. And here are the swatches of all the colors in this palette. There are 2 glitters and 4 matte colors. So this palette is full of beautiful rose tone pinks, and then there is 1 golden pink. And you can use all these colors to create stunning looks for any occasion. And you can see that all these colors are very pigmented and they all blend smoothly. Now it's time to put these gorgeous pink eyeshadows on my eyes. So I'm going to start with the lightest matte pink and put this all over my eye. Now onto this mauve pink color, and I'm going to use this as my crease color. Now onto my lid color, which I'm going to use this stunning pink glitter eyeshadow. And when using glitter eyeshadows, if they aren't looking as pigmented or they're not sticking quite as good, I always spray my brush, and this is going to make that glitter stand out even more and help it stick to the eyelid. Now onto the deepest color in this palette, and I'm going to use this in the corner of my eye. Now to use that Q-tip with lotion. If you watch my videos, you know I always do this, but I clean up that line and make it nice and sharp. Now you can see here my face is sprinkled with glitter, so there's quite a bit of fallout. Here is the final eyeshadow look. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Now on to the bronzer. And the bronzer cost $18. So both these colors blend beautifully, and they are both a very golden toned bronzer. They are going to warm up your complexion and give you a beautiful sun-kissed glow. So I'm going to use the darker shade in this palette. Now I chose the medium palette. There is a light, medium, and dark. Now when I was at the store, they did not have any light, so I went with the medium, but it actually looks really beautiful on my pale skin, doesn't look too dark, and just gives it a nice bronzed glow. Now on to the blush. The blush cost $15. So the Volume 2 palette is soft pops of bright color. And it's going to give you a flawless finish on any complexion. So I'm using the top color, and I made a boo-boo and forgot to hit record when I was putting it on my face. But you can see here that it's absolutely beautiful and it's absolutely vibrant and has great pigment and a great look. So here is the final look, and again, I absolutely love it. Everything is so pigmented, blends smoothly, and looks great. These pinks will make green eyes pop. So when I bought these palettes from Ulta, the cashier asked if I've ever had any Juvia's Place products before, and I said, nope. And she said that she absolutely loves them, and she is addicted, and she has pretty much bought everything that Juvia's Place makes. And now I fear I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be buying a whole bunch of products from Juvia's Place because they are amazing. Well, thank you for watching this video, and as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!